This is the story of how a disabled person's legal fight gifted us the escalator in the High Court premises. We use the escalator daily. It is a facility as well as a meeting place near gate number 2. Earlier, there used to be stairs where the escalator now welcomes us. It was September 2004. A man on wheelchair was silently waiting at the top of those stairs where the escalator now stands. I passed him by and then came back, asked him how he managed to get to the first floor. His reply was really distressing. He said to me, "Two persons lift me and one brings up the wheelchair. What are you waiting for now?" I asked him. "I'm waiting for three persons coming together. That makes things easier," he explained. One had to endure this in those times if one was a disabled and had a litigation in the High Court. I gave him my card and told him that if he wanted to do something about the situation, he could meet me. No fee would be charged, but he will have to bear the expenses. Surprisingly, after a few days, he approached me. A legal notice was sent on his behalf, but as usual, nothing happened. Then, CWP number 5390 of 2005, titled as Karanveer Singh Gandhotra and another, versus Union Territory of Chandigarh and others, was filed before the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court. On the day that the writ petition was listed, notice of motion was issued for the same afternoon by the then Chief Justice, Justice D.K. Jain. On the next date, the order was passed. The order, dated 27th of April 2005, reads as: Mr. Rajiv Atmaram, Learned Senior Standing Counsel for Union Territory, Chandigarh, says that as per his instructions, the Chandigarh administration is willing to install the lift as well as construct a ramp for the disabled and handicapped litigants as soon as a proposal to that effect is received from the High Court Building Committee. In view of the submissions, we dispose of the writ petition with the request to the High Court Building Committee to examine the entire issue and make appropriate recommendations in that behalf as expeditiously as practicable. The petitioners dutifully paid the expenses, which were roughly rupees 850. Then began the demolition of the stairs and construction of the escalator. Never mind that there was no mention of escalator in the order. To rub salt on the disability, a notice was put at the foot of the escalator which read, "Transportation of wheelchairs not permitted." Post CWP legal notices failed to move things. Then, with no option left and with a heavy heart, a COCP was ultimately filed. This set the things in frantic motion. A statement was made before the Honorable Court that the ramp would be completed by October 2009. Ultimately, as a result of the efforts of one disabled person, we now have an escalator, a ramp, and many lifts in the High Court premises. Thus, we should never forget that even small people can bring big change. Let us do our bit. Thanks for watching. Yours truly, Hirday Pal Singh Rahi.